Hey guys, welcome to another Python Shorts video. We're going to go over the for loop today. So the for loop iterates through all of the items in some kind of a sequence or a list. So for example, let's start off with a list. We're going to say x is equal to 1, 3, 5, we're going to do 7 as a string, and 9 as a float, and 11 as an integer again. So this is our list. It's kind of a goofy list. So we're going to say for item, we're just going to call it item x. Basically you give this any kind of variable name, and this is going to be what the variable's called each time through the iteration. So for item x in x, we're going to say print item x. So what this is going to do is it's going to iterate through every single piece of our x variable, our x list, and it's going to print each item one at a time. So you'll see them all printed one on top of each other down there when we run this, and there they are. So there's a lot of different things you can do in a for loop. They're really useful when you're programming for a business or a game or something. I use for loops on a regular basis as an analytic consultant. So yeah, they're incredibly useful. So another thing you can do is you can print, or you can have a range in your for loop. So we're going to say range 1 to 7. So this is going to iterate through numbers 1 through 7 and print each of them instead of looking at our x variable. This is just to show if you need to iterate something a certain number of times as opposed to iterating through a certain list, this is a good way to do it. So I guess it prints, so for a range, it starts at the first number and goes through the last number minus 1. So that is something to note. So if you want to print 1 through 7, you'd actually set this equal to an 8. And yeah, that's all I wanted to cover. I'll make other videos on while loops. And if you guys have any suggestions or anything that you'd really like to see, let me know in the comments. Also, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And I hope you guys have a nice day. Thanks. Bye.